All right, Big Sills here for Jalen Hurts. Dude, when are you going to take ownership of your offense? How many more weeks are you going to go with shitty decisions and in game play calling that will cost you turnovers? Dude, it's you. Brian Johnson's not the guy. The only way this thing turns around is Jalen Hurts. Brian Johnson's not going to become a better offensive coordinator. He's got to be more of a leader and say, no, you can't run a play the way you ran a play in the fourth quarter to give the Jets an opportunity to win a ball game, which they ended up doing. That's on coaching and also leadership. Dude, step up. Don't accept a play like that. He's got to be more of a leader. Override that shit. Those coaches are there for you. You're not there for them. That's the problem with Howie. Howie hired these coaches. They feel empowered that they're more important than the players. They're not. Players are there to benefit from what the inside of a coach has. You're not there to make them better. The coaches are there to make you better. This is a fundamental flaw in the Eagles. I mean, the quarterback's got to take ownership. You're a $50 million a year guy. Act like it.